Hi guys, today we're gonna be making a Lego robot. His name is Chompy. Say hi guys. Say hi Chompy. So this is my favorite Lego robot. He moves. He has a lot of joints, and he can actually eat stuff. Nom nom. And a stud I got over here, he can actually eat it. If you think Chompy is cool, then you can learn how to build him in this video. But first we gotta disassemble him. So we took Chompy apart, and here's all the pieces. If you would like to purchase these pieces, or if you would like to have a Chompy, the parts are in the link down below in the description. Or if you have any of my kits, let's get building. Okay, so we're gonna be starting to make the feet. So you'll need 2 of these. You'll need 2 flats, 2 angled flats, 2 1x2s, and a ball joint. So first, you'll be taking one of these and then putting that like that with both. So then you'll put this and put that on it. So then you'll take this, and then you'll put it onto there. So then you have to put this on there. And these are what the feet look like. So now that we've finished the feet, we're gonna put them to the side and start working onto the ankles. So you'll need a 2x2, 2 of them, and one of these things that hold the ball joint. So you'll grab this piece and you'll put this on the 2x2. Now that we've made the ankles, we'll attach them to the feet. So these snap into place until you hear the snap, they're connected. So snap. And then let's put that aside. So now, let's start building the legs. You'll need 8 of these. It's like a 2x1 with a thing that holds something. And you'll need these, so that can go on that, but I'll show you after I start arranging them. Okay, so now we're gonna start building them. So first you'll need 2 of these, and then you'll put one right here and push it to the side, and then you'll do the same with the other and it snaps in place. So now you have this, now you have this. So you'll have to do that 4 times. Now that we've built all 4 of these, we can connect them together. So we'll take 2 of them and put them like that. So you'll do these 2 like that. So now you have these. You have these. So now you can connect them to these. You can connect the legs to these like that. So now they can actually move. They can both move. Now these can move too. Now that we've finished the feet, ankles, and legs, we're gonna I'm gonna put this to the side, and now we're gonna start working on the body. So we'll need 3 of these 2x1s with the angled that is a 2x2. You'll need 3 of these. You'll need 4 2x1s. You'll need a circle 2x2. You'll need 2 of these flat pieces. You'll need 1 of these, and you'll need this, and you'll need a 3x2. You'll need this, a 2x1 with an angle, 2 eye pieces, and 2 of these 2x1s with only one thing on the middle. First, you'll need to grab 2 of these, and then you'll grab the circle piece, put it on one of these, and then put both of them like that. And then you'll grab these, and then take 2 of them and snap them together. So then you'll grab one of these and put them on the bottom, and then you'll grab this and put it on the top. So then you can put it any way you want, this way, and then like that. Okay, so this is the main part of the body. Here's the back, sides, the top. These are where the eyes are gonna be, and then the bottom. Now that we've made the frame, we can put on the hat. So you'll need to grab the last one, put it on the back, and it'll look like that. Then you'll grab these pieces and put them on to here, like that. And then you'll grab this 3x2 and then put it right here. And the last step are the eyes. So let's grab one of these and grab an eye and put the eye on the piece. So let's do that for both. You can angle the eye however you would like. So now just put it on like that. So now that we've finished the head, we can put it to the side. Now we can start working on the mouth. So these are the pieces you'll need for the mouth. So first we'll grab this, and then we'll grab this piece and attach it. And then we'll grab this vent piece and put it on like that. So now that's done. We'll put that to the side. And now you can attach this to here. You can attach the darker piece onto here, and then attach this to here. So now you can attach that to there and then turn it like that. So there's the mouth. So now that we've finished the mouth, we can attach it to the head. So this part goes on to the head. So now, you see it? Ta-da! So now that we've finished the head attached and we attached the mouth onto it, we can put that to the side. So now we can start working on the knob, which when you pull it, that's how his mouth moves. So it's gonna be like beep beep, and then the mouth would go. First, we'll take these 2 pieces and attach them this way. So it has to be off-sided. So now that we've done that, we can attach the flag piece and this piece together. So now we can attach this to this. And now that we have both of the last pieces. So now we can connect them to the head. So first you attach this to this, attach that to the little 2 things on there, and then you attach this to here. So look, now his mouth moves. So when you pull it, his mouth moves. Okay, so now that we've made the middle section, we can finally move on to the last step. We can connect the legs, yay! So now we can connect this leg to here. Now let's take the other piece and connect that to there. Ta-da! Chompy! Hi guys! And in the back there's a little feature. You can open this if you'd like, and then you can put that on the back so it doesn't show. So there's Chompy. Have fun, guys!